Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to block emails in Gmail in 2024. So firstly, let's go to Gmail first, then choose the email account you want to block. Like I want to block this monster one, this one. If you want to block this one, open that email account like this, and you have to click on this three dot beside the mail. Click on this, then you'll find here block option. If you click on block, and it will, if you click on block again for confirmation, your this email will be blocked. You cannot receive any mail from that block mail again. Okay, you will not receiving any mail from that specific mail. Like I'm showing you again. If you block, open that mail and click on this three dot, and you'll find here block option. If you click on block, this block, and then you will not receiving the mail from that specific email again. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.